Thanks for looking at Gaz of All Trades. One of the first things is a Paracord handle wrap with about 5 foot of cord. Bring the end down about 3 inches or so and loop it at the top of the handle. Give yourself a little space there as well. Make a loop that goes under the handle. And then back over and through. This is your first half hitch knot, or that's what I'm going to call it for this video. For the second loop, after you've tightened it all up, go over the handle. She'll be there in a minute. I probably should have sped this bit up. Okay, so go over the handle, bring the cord underneath and through the loop. Okay, make sure you're tightening where the knot is, where you want it to finish basically. So for my case, I want it down the bottom spine of the handle. Okay, I'm just checking my index in here, but for the third one, underneath and then bring it over and through the loop again. Okay, and basically all you got to do is keep on going all the way down in this manner. So loop under, go through over, loop over, go through under, and you'll see that it starts to make a nice pattern on the back end there. Okay, gone to a new view, and I have sped it up this time. Okay, it's probably going to be a lot of things on this channel at some point. I sort of feel as if you've got to learn a bit of everything. It's quite enjoyable anyway, and there's so many cool things out there that you can do. This being one of them, I think. One of them I think is going to be making these videos. These videos I will be getting better at, I'm sure. I've been learning quite a lot through YouTube and through a few people. So it's just a matter of keep on trying, keep on going at it basically. Okay, as you can see, sped up, under over, keeping it nice and tight every single time you go through. Until the end of the knife there. I didn't put a hole in the end of this one because this is just out of hardened steel. I've never actually annealed it or anything like that, so it is just ground out of hardened steel. This is just a little utility knife, just made for a bit of fun basically. Okay, some of the other things that will be happening on this channel is basically going through the house, little jobs that need doing, little things that need creating, little things that could be made a hell of a lot better. But one of the main things I like is just recycling old boxes. Love old boxes. So as you've probably seen on the channel already, there is a couple of boxes made into beard boxes for men's grooming products. They're pretty cool. A couple of them being sold already, so they've gone. It just inspired me to do a little bit more. Okay, so just onto the last little bit there. Just checking that it's nice in the hand. Going over and under the last 1 or 2 here. What I wanted to do at the end is make sure that the last knot was coming over, so when it went through the top loop it still pulled tighter. You'll see what I mean in a minute when I think it goes to another camera angle. Okay, just here, so you'll notice that the loop is over and I'm pulling it through the bottom loop now. Okay, now what you do is pull on the bottom end, and what it will do, I'll pull it back out, there we go, just to show you what's happening a little bit better. So basically hold on tight. I'm going to do this in slow motion I think, and it pulls more or less all the way down. Okay, and this tightens everything up and keeps everything in a really good stead. Okay, there we go. I think I'm going to do another angle of it so you can see exactly what's happening. Because there's already a gap there made by the cord going up, it pulls through very easily. Okay, there we go. Yeah, index is nice, feels nice in the hand. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is, I've looked at both ends, I've left enough on the bottom end here that what I'm going to do is loop it round so it's just over, well, more or less double wrist size I'd say, and then I'm going to loop it over 4 or 5 times here and then pull the cord through all of those and then just slowly tighten it up until it's tight round both bits. There we go. Okay, and that'll make a nice handle, and what it will do is when I cut the end off of that and seal it to the actual bits we looped around, that will make a sliding point there so you can actually slide it and tighten it round your arm if needs be. Okay, so here we go. So you get the lighter on it, because it's nylon, it's plastic, it will melt, and when it cools down it ain't going anywhere. Okay, and let's do the top one as well, just make sure everything's nice and solid. Okay, give it another go over. Okay, so there we go. Quite happy with that. First quick going on the paracord. Thought I'd see how it went. There's a nice little patterning down there. Nice and tight. Works a charm. Okay. Yeah, thanks for coming to have a look at my channel. Saying there'll be a lot more content, hopefully better content soon as well. And hope to see you here again very soon. Okay, thank you.